Chapter 5, this begins Unit 2. This is the macros. These are the dudes that are going to be providing us energy in which to do things throughout the body. And we start with carbohydrates first because that's what they primarily do. They are the major source for energy for the body. Your brain loves carbohydrates. That's their primary function. To me, getting rid of an entire macronutrient out of your diet, I just can't, it just boggles my mind because of what it does. Helps to fund your brain. It is the major source of energy for the body. It's underlined. As we'll see here in a little bit when we start breaking down, looking at all the various different types of carbohydrates, they also will help to create basically what's called the glue. Helps to hold everything together. It's going to be a major component of structure within the body in terms of helping us to come up with this matrix that helps to hold the body together. They can be simple, they can be complex, they can be one molecule, they can be hundreds of molecules. All right. So there's a lot of simplicity and complexity when you start looking at these carbohydrates, this macronutrient. Where do they come from? Really plants. Plants are a great source, rich source for carbohydrates. And, they make carbohydrates by, oh boy, photosynthesis, okay? Sun, carbon dioxide, water, gets me glucose and oxygen, that old thing. Oxygen, obviously, we're using. But then they take that glucose, that carbohydrate, and they make structures. They make stuff with it, just like we do. Okay? Just like we do. And then we harvest the plant, consume that carbohydrate, and we utilize it for our good. All right? But it all starts with plants. And that's all I'm going to really get into. I'm not going to get into photosynthesis. I'm not going to get into, the process that how a plant makes carbohydrates and what that actually goes to. It goes to various different things, to structure, which some of it is edible, some of it is not edible for us. We can still eat it. The bacteria in our intestines love it. But we can't utilize it. It goes and makes seeds. Okay? Makes structures, makes a lot of different fantastic stuff. But we're going to be focusing our time looking at it from the human aspect, but it all starts here. It all starts with plants.